Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the price overall, that we have seen that after going negative the price is continuously rising. Okay, and the rise we have seen that it is trying to make a range. Okay, and see, this is the particular range which has sustained for long. Okay, after that we have seen that it has moved in this particular zone, and from there it has at this level. From after crossing at this level, I have already explained in my previous video, and if you go and check my videos, I have already told there is a buying situation coming at from after this range has break upside. Okay, and from there I have already told you that there is a probability that because these levels are already tested twice and the resistance has become weak, so chances would be very high that we can see it can go and touch a level of 77, which is just 5 or 6 years high. This level profit booking has come, so you have seen a negative range after touching at this level because profit booking has come at this level. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical and crude is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, and Instagram channel also I have given. You can join that Instagram Options Trader Today with the name, and then you can join for my Instagram ID. Okay, now you look at the chart. Okay, suppose range we have seen a sharp rise after moving this particular region. Now this particular zone has, after this particular zone we have seen again a sharp rise. Okay, made a high of around 85.45, and from there again we have seen a downside. So now what we can see here, okay, a opposite W pattern is forming. So what we can see, there is a probability that we can see a level of 77.14 if it goes below a level of 78. Okay, there is a probability because it has already crossed a level of 77.14. we can, and this is the level which is, if it tested again, then there is a probability it can go further because this is a very strong support we can see coming at this range. Okay, so once, or if you look at the range, we can see a U pattern is forming at this particular zone. Okay, that is why we have seen, and if you look at this zone also, we have seen a U pattern is forming at this particular zone. See, now look at the chart. U pattern is forming here. Okay, and this sharp rise, so we can see if it goes above this level again, a level of 80, 82 or 81, then we can see it can go further upside. But as of now we have seen a strong support coming is at around 77. Keep this in mind, this is a strong support. Once this level break downside, or if it goes above this level, then only we can see it can go further upside. What I'm saying is, if it goes below this level, the price goes below this level, then it will act as a resistance. If it goes above this level, then we can see after going down, then we can see it can move further up. Okay, now it is trading at around 878.05. if the price didn't sustain this level, then there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 77.02, which is a very strong support. If it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 75.59, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 74.78. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 74.27. okay, and if the price didn't sustain a level of 74.27, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 73.86, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 73.15. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain a level of 73.15, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 72.44. okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain that level also, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 71.65. okay, but what I meant to say is that suppose if the price, because 77 is a very strong support, if it breaks downside, then only we can see it can go and touch a level of 76.20, and once this level is crossed downside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 75.49, and once this level goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 74.47. Okay, and 174.47 is touched. If it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 72.95. Okay, if it goes below a level of 74.17, then only we can see it can go and touch a level of 73.76, and if it didn't sustain that level, then only we can see it can go and touch a level of 73.15. Once 73.15 is crossed downside, then only we can see it can go and touch a level of 72.34, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 71.53. Okay, once if it goes below this level, then we can see 70.51. 70.51 is a very strong support. Okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 69.70, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level 67.87. Suppose if the price sustain this level, as of now we can see a M pattern is forming, so there is a probability it can go further low. But suppose if the price sustain a level of 77, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 78.22, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 79.30. Okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 79.70, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 80.25. Okay, and once 80.25 is touched, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 80.65, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 81.33. Okay, and once this level is touched upside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 82, and 82 is already tested twice, so chances are high we can see a level of 82.68, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 83.22. Once this level is crossed upside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 84.44. Okay, and once if it comes close to this level, then we can see a further upside in the price of crude and can touch a level of 85.25, which is already tested twice, so chances are high we can see further upside in the price of crude, because it's not a 5-year high. It will go upside and directly we can see a level of 86.94, and from there we can see it can go a level of 89.98 also. Okay, if it goes above a level of 86, we can see it can go further high to a level of 89.38, and from there we can see a level of 89.98. Okay, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 91.20, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 92.11. Okay, so there is what you have to understand here, that if it sustain, if this zone breaks upside, then we can see further upside in the price of crude. Any doubt you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.